Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Bybit $20 coupon code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So first of all, start by opening up your Bybit and sign into your account. Now what you need to do is just simply click on this rewards hub. If you cannot see, simply click on the more option, and you just need to go for the rewards by simply searching for it. Now, once you search for this, simply go for the first one, and you will land on this particular page. Now, by default, every new user should have a $20 coupon code, which they can simply click on it, and they can avail the offer by simply inviting their friends. Now, if you cannot see this, the second method that I recommend you to go with is the Bybit Earn. So go back and click on Bybit Earn option. Here, you will see an option to invite friends. So you can get $50 by inviting your friends. But there are some conditions that your friends must complete. So that's basically how you can use Bybit $20 coupon code. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.